Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. Got two of them today. Got the Lionel 50 gang car for 10 bucks. This is a Marx 595 that I picked up, also 10 bucks. Now this one has been repainted, and I bought it basically to get the motor out of it. So let's see what this one looks like. Alright, no peanuts, that's good. Bubble wrap. I like bubble wrap. Alright. So anyway, 10 bucks. See what kind of motor it has in it. No idea if it runs or not. It looked to be pretty rough. Alright. There it is. 595 has been painted blue. Wow. Pre-war, as you see. So, well, the motor is barely hanging in here. Anyway, let's pull this camera off the tripod. Take a look at this. So, someone's painted it blue. It's a pre-war motor, as you see. Overall condition is decent, except for the blue paint. One of the markers is broken off. This has a cast shell. As you see, that marker is broken off. But pre-war motor, it turns easy enough. So, before we do anything else, boy, that motor is just barely hanging in there. Let me grab the oil. Like I said, I have no idea if this is going to run. So, we'll oil the bearing for the armature. Let that soak for a second. Oil the bearing for the output. Give it a turn. All right. We have a clear rail number 2. All right, 10 bucks on eBay. I actually made a guy an offer on this. He had it listed for $29 free shipping. I contacted him, offered him 20 bucks. He accepted it. So basically 10 bucks for the locomotive and 10 bucks to ship it. That is a fair price. All right, without further ado, power is on. Marx 595, eBay 10 bucks. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Nothing at all. Boy, it's not even buzzing. Wow. Like I said, that motor is just barely hanging in there. Nothing at all. So, no idea why. No light, no buzzing, no nothing. So anyway, I got to pull the motor out of this. Let's see if these screws are tight. I have a screwdriver right here. All right. There's one. There's two. All right, pull this motor out. Hard to do this with a camera in your hand. Yes, it is. All right, there's the motor. Get back to the shell later. All right, well, obviously we're getting power, but no buzzing, no nothing. Well, let's see. Try that. Boy, nothing at all. Absolutely nothing. Not even buzzing, which is surprising. Screws tight. We're definitely getting power, but absolutely nothing happening. Nothing at all. And this bulb is really, really loose. All right, so in any case, a pre-war motor. So now we just got to figure out why it's not getting any power. Very likely it's an E-unit problem. Well, I can tell already. The E-unit cable is broken. You can see how the coil just spins. It looks like it anyway. So the only option, of course, is to completely gut the motor, replace the E-unit, or bypass it. I actually bought this for parts. So this one might actually end up as parts. We'll see. Anyway, before I do anything, I always attempt to get these things running. But as you see, it's in overall fair condition. No real problem with it, except that it doesn't run. So very likely it is the coil in the E-unit. So I have to do a follow-up on this one. But very likely the cable for that E-unit is broken, so I will probably have to do the bypass. We will see. Or just go ahead and strip it for parts, because I need them. I'm out of virtually everything. I don't even have any screws left. As far as the shell goes, pull the lens out, pull the stack off, respray it black, and it will actually look fairly decent. Somebody's had this completely apart. You can see they've really, really torn up these tabs where they pulled out the rear plate. Why they did that and then went ahead and painted over it, I have no idea. They even painted the tab and slot. Anyway, just wanted to do a unboxing video. So I got to figure out what the problem is. Very likely there's no power going to the E-unit. It does not seem, it's not even buzzing. So I'll take a quick look at this and see what is up with it. Somebody's had this apart. There's absolutely no doubt about that. You see the side plate is tweaked right there for some reason. No idea why. It's had a lot of runtime. That's worn completely through. Anyway, pre-war motor. Light is on, so it's getting power. It just is not running. It's not even buzzing. So very likely that coil is open. So I have to do a follow-up. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick unboxing video on this. 10 bucks, like I said. Guy had it on eBay for $29 as a buy it now or best. I contacted him, offered him 20 bucks. To my surprise, he instantly accepted it. So free shipping. So basically it was 10 bucks to ship it and 10 bucks for the locomotive itself. The shell is worth that much. Now, as far as the motor, if the coil is open, there's only two ways to address that. Gut the motor, replace the E-unit, because there's no way I'm not going to start rewinding coils, that's for sure. Or do the bypass, and that's a 5-minute job, which is very likely what I'm going to do with this, if that is the problem. But I'm betting the coil is open on the E-unit. So in any case, just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.